Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all the best wishes reaching out to all the people that follow me on this app here. And I don't know, I have a lot of respect for y'all, you know. Freddie could never be a Jedi. Zane, go on Twitter. I don't know the whole of you. I always go on with the local things, so you know, I have to respect you know. Because you know, respect goes a long way. Sometimes you not even know how far it go. But you have to just always show respect. Fun size. You can keep your Happy New Year. May I watch you from what you go when time you have man problem, me hear from you. I not bring in the New Year with me. That year, yeah? My junior read Kirk Riley. Don't know one love. How we live right now? We live a one way where we make too much people have access to it. So right now, I change up my thing. I change up my thing. Too much people now get too much access to me again. Cause and everybody deserve with time and with energy. So instead of we cuss with them and vex with them and all of that, we just draw back. We have to draw back. Cause I have some people. Cause remember, you know, people not have to use you financially, you know. People not have to use you financially. You understand? People can use you emotionally because they come when them have them problem and them suck you out because they just sit down and say, oh my God, Richie, the man a do this. Richie, the girl a do this. Richie, this, that. You understand? You give them your shoulder, them hold on for your shoulder. And then the same blood clot people, them are them that gone back to the same people where them complain boy you for 1 week straight. Cause them now left. Them know when them time up for left. Them know when them time up for walk. But it's like them want hear you say left the boy. You would have never fucking hear that. You're not going to hear me tell you left your woman. You're not going to hear me tell you left your man. I make myself too accessible to too much people. So I save back some of that stuff me for myself here now and pour it into myself. So Happy New Year to everybody. You understand? Happy New Year to everybody. We're not judge nobody. We're not going to do yourself. We're not going to live on a life. We're not going to do whatever we're not going to do. But I don't really have, and everyone I want to have access to the king again. You know, so I have 2 phones. And to the way I remember how to walk with 2 phones, one of them just left in my yard. It just leave in my yard, like literally leaving in my yard. But now we're on yourself. So much things are going on in the earth. I see something on the internet. And I say I'm going to talk a little bit about it. Because I see it and whatever people want to say, I'm going to say. I see Queenie. Queenie look very peaceful and happy. I see Dewey. Dewey look very nice and happy. Him just a smile and go away so. So, no dirty people. Where I talk about say, Dewey ungrateful and Dewey for going back to him wife. Me no see Queenie sit down and a blood clot mad out. Remember when time Queenie used to sit down and I said, Dewey, you now come home. Dewey, you now come home to your wife. Me no hear Queenie say none of that a blood clot. Queenie just a live her best life and a go on and look good in her face. Only if you look on the people them how them look and left them life alone. 500 comment me see overdo it page. 500 comment me see overdo it page. Somehow not talk about him to go back to Queenie. Only no blood clot like Queenie. Only no like her. Only can't like Queenie after they say the woman looks so peaceful. Only remember when the woman face did stay away and the whole and said, Jesus Christ, Queenie come off of the internet, you want rest, you want this, you want that. And now the woman well restful and she did it with Yvette. And she a go on with herself. She and Yvette they live them best life and a go on. Right? And uno see him wanna come talk about go on. Him did stress out and she did stress out. Them toxic for them one another. Lord them, if him want go back or she want him come back, we are gonna know because look like how them married in a public and them left in a public. It's like the whole way down a public. Lord people life. Him take up one woman, the woman say she into him. She agree because she lose her man. Him say him have a cooling sphere and the two of them are cool them one another like ice. Lord them, Queen happy, do it happy. And that is it. Good night. But again, no found not even know what happiness look like. On a miserable, no blood clot. On a miserable. Nobody life no good for uno. On the phone life alone, alright. Not because you stressed out and unhappy, you feel like the people must unhappy and stress out too. You want to draw down people in your sad blood clot sinking boat. No, him now, me nah black him. Remember say him you have to load him his name Smiley one at the time on the internet. I don't know what do him take off him the name Smiley again, him change to one different name. You have to remember say a different way me have to deal with people, you know. You understand? Him can't say anything what him want to say. I left Stone Love from 2007 and him still talk about Stone Love. You know much of them people never know say me used to play Stone Love. And you alone know say me used to play Stone Love. Them people never ask me about Stone Love yet. Never. Them people never ask me about Stone Love. Stone Love just take 2007 to 2024. You understand? So, again, we know how to deal with people. You understand? Again now. We respect everybody. So we not this nobody. One time gonna somebody run on for my page, I'm ready for this them, but we never come on. Now again, I see one video. But before I reach to that video then, I talk about something else. The careless girl them not really follow my page. As some woman we have sent, some of them I got through relationship problems. Some of them just want to hear some good words of encouragement. See? So the careless girl them not really follow me. You understand? Them not really follow me. I'm alright with that. But I see a girl sending say she at 31. She's 31 and her man there with a 20-year-old girl. Him breed her and the pitney at 2. One of her pitney I must say 9 and one of them are one other age. The man a look upon her and tell her so she forgot look at work and come help out. She don't want to go look no work. The girl say she not look no work. The girl say when you not take up people, man, you must know if you take up them pitney too. I wish I could have known that girl there. I wish I could have known that girl and give her a proper schooling in a dissing and tell her say she big and careless. And how the girl look the attention, she put it over Pink Wall and she put it over Daydream. She put it over 2 page. 2 mix up page the girl put it. Zane? Because she say Uno young girl, uno not take up people, man. Uno must make sure uno take up the pitney them too, because you keep party for your pitney, you have to keep pitney for party for my pitney them too. You make the man a pressure me for go look work. Me say I swear to God, if me ever deal with a girl who can't help herself again in life, God cut off one of my toe. And I tell God to kill me because I don't want dead. God cut off one of my toe. Uno man needs to dep on the internet and look on them site, yeah. Uno need to look on them website, yeah, and read what some things that some girl send in. I see another thing what the Gene put out, named confession. And some things that some girl confess. Them should have carried that to them grave. Somehow don't love the blood clot internet too much. But me like when you come on and come show me how some woman think. See? Me like when you come show me how low down somehow is. One girl take her anti-husband and I fought the anti-husband right through. All in a night Joe after her family them put her out and the auntie take her in. She said she must be 20 and the man are 50. Right? And she manipulate him and he manipulate her and she want things. And the man tell her say him a go left the auntie for she. And she say she don't want to hurt the auntie. From your fuck the man you hurt the auntie. Me nah tell no lie. The internet can be a place that is very informative and it can be very careless. Then, I see so much things on the internet, but I don't complain because I want to see. I want to see. I want to see and know. Then again, I see one next girl say she did a thief money from one institution. She a confess. She did a thief money from the institution and she thief how much money, but she stop now. Why the fuck you come on and I come tell we say you did a thief and you stop now? We never need to know all of that. Remember say the internet has become such an open place to confess your sins. Nobody no want to go to church again for go confess no sin. You just come on Daydream and Pink Wall and just confess. Or you go over TikTok and just confess. Nobody now have to ask you nothing. You just go over there go confess. Just go over there go confess. Because we are here to listen. Now, hungry people up on the internet a lot, but more fake rich people up on the internet. More fake there than the ordinary. A lot more fake is there than the ordinary. Pure fake rich people. Me talk someone live a foreign, me talk about someone live a Jamaica. Fake rich. Cause me no rich. Me definitely not rich. Me not rich. Me don't know what is rich. If a life, me rich in a life. I'm glad for the life I have because, you know, a lot of us always a pray for a lead way and we always a pray for something happen and we always a pray for this happen, but we not pray for health and strength. Remember, you know, we give thanks for life. And them say once you have life, you have everything, but you can't have life and you're disabled and can't do anything. Zine? But when you pray for health and strength, because a lot of people, a lot of us are not healthy. And you say well, health is the most important thing. We have to make sure our mental health is good and alright. Remember, you know, nobody make no bow. Me make my New Year's resolution. You should have make that from down in the year. Yeah, the way and then that me I say, me rich in life. I'm not rich in cash and kinds. I'm rich in life. Seeing, we have to pray for health and strength. We give thanks for life, you know. We have to give thanks for life. But we have to pray for health and strength. You know what I mean? Because them say 1,400 people dead at Jamaica last year. I'm glad say me never in that 1,400 there. Me give thanks. So each day we rise. DJ sat there. Pick up yourself. Glad to see you back on the internet, youth. See a man where they give thanks to the DJ sat there. Mine run pan DJ sat there. And when my mind run pan DJ sat there, I ask one of my brethren say a long time I don't see him because a man who always active on the internet. Only and solely if I go to one party when I look at DJ sat there, I buck up pan. And DJ sat there and tell me say, yo, him just a come back from a strokes. See, the man tell me say him just a come back from a strokes. Run my mind run pan him because I know he's a man who always vocal on the internet and you could have seen him all about and when the man tell me all the strokes, lick him down. Remember, I don't know old man this me I telling about people. Remember, young boy. Zine, man come like a baby, him turn back. Just start walk back and learn back for walk. Just a start learn back for talk. Zine, we am glad to see the man. Before me even know what happened to the man. Because me da ask a man for him because I say I see him. So, this is where we have to give thanks for. DJ Blaze, I'm a brother. Zane, may I tell you, YT, Happy New Year. I'm telling you this paper. Sickness can't reach anybody. People wish gunshot from people and they say them for dead. But it's a sickness, remember, everybody, sickness is for. Sickness is for me, sickness is for you. Nobody no better than sickness. You hear me say? And that's why I tell you to say, yo, we have to give thanks each day for the preservation. Remember that. All people we say we eat. That's cool, man. And another thing when I try to tell you to say, yo, you see when you have kids, don't wish bad about people, kids. Don't wish bad about people, children. Careful of the tongue. Careful of the tongue. Remember them say the hand is mightier than the sword, but the tongue is a very powerful thing. The way the tongue powerful, you know, so you scatter use him tongue and yam with a woman. Eh? But the tongue is mightier than that. You hear me I say, man? Careful of the use of the tongue. Anybody can get sick. That may I tell a man. We don't know we have to go and look at you mind at the thing when we attack. We don't know.
Hello.
Good evening. I don't know. I have to mention the freak jet more time. I have to involve in it. And I couldn't know that. Yeah, but me I say, yo, we have to be careful. Because I mean, the man now, you can't wash out your mouth from people picnic.
You didn't get the black.
You did tell me black?
You ate me.
You tell me the black and purple alone, me say?
No, I tell you black and purple.
Me see, me tell you this.
No, well.
A purple alone, me see, you know. Me not really good.
3 yards of black and 3 yards of purple crip back.
Well, me never remember the black, you know. I just say purple alone and done it, you know.
So we can't go there.
Mr. Way I do. Try to stress me out, man.
No, because I need the black more than the purple.
Yeah, people, because she sent me out and go buy something. And I one thing me say, and a two thing. So what are the people them close?
Yeah, I'm close 6 o'clock.
Me say no, you do here.
A good thing. I come out here early, you know.
Where you mean come out early?
But come out early.
Fat Dolly, people, big up Fat Dolly from over Canada. Remember she now say me a fight her artist career. Say she a artist, have one song with say Parental and a Dolly house. Right? But me so get to that. Now, there's a video on the internet. The little girl named Kaylan. Them come like them redo the video and do it in a different form. The way the video so disturbing. Two little girl a fight. And some other big girl go there and I say, bust up back her head. Chop out her head. And then me hear one of them say, like, see her head bust there now. Leave her now. One big fat girl go there go beat her. Listen to me. Yo. Me not need no violence and it come on to certain things. But that video did disturb me. Me not even could I watch it till it done. And again, this is the same social media. It built for inform way and it built for kill way. It built for inform way and it built for kill way. Pray over your children, them people. Pray over your kids, them. And when you not pray, stop praying for riches. Because what is riches? Pray over your kids, them when them leave out of your yard. Pray over your kids, them when them in your yard. When you youth them go on road and come in back safe. And one of the best thing right now, you can't because we're not sure. Pray for them more than what you pray for yourself. May I tell you no, pray for them more than how you pray for yourself. Because you see envy and jealousy, trust me, is a killer. Me hear people say, them need this and them need that. What is the most important thing that you need right now in life? What is the most important thing? Most important thing is health and strength. Because we know we are struggling, enough of we are struggling. Remember we get December and we are say, alright, it's Christmas here come. God bless everybody who could have put a meal on them table. God bless everybody who gave somebody a gift. God bless everybody who gave somebody even a plate of food. We get 3 days in a Jamaica and we get 2 days in a foreign. Boxing Day and Christmas in a Jamaica with New Year's. Seeing? And now I'm back to the regular scheduled programming. Seeing? When I hear them tell us the health is well, believe me, no man. Remember, me not the brightest bulb, you know. But me beat the generational curse because I remember my daughter have more education than me. And me feel good about that. She don't come follow back at me. She come do better than me. And me always tell her that more time ago and a reminder. Me always dream for my daughter. Go to university. Me never go to high school. And from 9th grade, I stop go to school. Never go back in another school unless I'm in school. Me I go in. But me not done. I just never did like school in the latter part. But me not done. Seeing? Me have the street side knowledge and me have the little 9th grade achievement. Melrose all age me used to go. But remember my daughter come and go and my son got a Parental call. Seeing? So them come go on better than me. She go to school and she have a degree. And she go back to school again and she have a skill. Seeing that, you big up yourself. And when me see my daughter get up and say she want to have a skill now, she have a business. Seeing my daughter business is OAB Designs. Right? My daughter make ropes. She tell me say, oh, she send me go buy her things them and me not buy everything. Seeing? So I just make you know say a them thing you know to encourage and push the youth them as far as them can go. Stop run down blood clot grand pitney. Excuse my language, my pitney. I wanna stop run down grand pitney. I come talk about how when you go give me a grand. And when you go, the youth them can build themselves first, we can take care of grandkids. Because nobody feel like say them go come flick down the pitney for me take care when time me want go live my best sugar daddy life. When I come talk about when the children are going to turn on in a grandparents, like say, want to feel like the youth them have can maintain and better themselves. And I can tell you say my daughter do better than me right now. Because at her age, may I take care of she and her brother and 2 more pitney. As a young youth. Zane, I remember we not live for the gram. Because real life we deal with. Because remember, you know, life is a journey, you know. How is it that you would feel comfortable knowing that you struggled with your kids and you them come see that and come struggle with for them kids? So everybody does a struggle. Me a struggle, me pitney a struggle, the grand pitney them a struggle. I remember again, when I encourage this, let me tell you the next thing when I say it burn me. And it burned me to the core. But again, when I tell nobody how to raise them children. I saw a mother and her daughter on the street the other day. And her daughter in a falls here, a little 5-year-old in a falls here and a tights with a belly skin. And when me see that, like me I say, them a put out the little baby them early. Because remember, these kids are not buying their own clothes. These children are not buying their own clothes. Right? 5-year-old. I remember this is not just a Jamaican thing, it's a worldwide thing. No matter about them and them mother twin. Oh, me and my twin. Me and my other half in human. Me and my heart in human form. Right? And then now, when you hear say, boy out the road for your little baby, enough people say them ready for the guard jail for them pitney. You know, we're not found and really ready. Me I tell you that, we're not ready. Because when I put the child in the arm's way, and putting the child in arm's way don't save nothing. You have to just don't put, you have to protect the child at all costs. Me never say if you just are like she a nun, but you can just are like a child. Cover her belly. Her navel is not supposed to be showing. You're not supposed to put false ear in a pitney in a child ear. And then you have to do photo shoot, one old photo shoot and you put them on social media. Remember, we living in a predatorial society right now where the predator them out for the little boy them and them out for the little girl them. But again, who am I to tell you how to raise your child? I can only talk for the sake of me. I can only talk for the sake of me. What one think is cute is dangerous. Right? When them tell you say a child shall lead the way, come like say them never get the memo. Because most of these people, they make the child lead them. They make the pitney them lead them. One of the most dangerous place right now where we have a deal with is TikTok. It's a very dangerous place for the children. Just about that video the lava. Very disturbing. Very disturbing. The children them a lead the adult them. The adult them a run back at the children them. One time children used to want to be like adults. Now, enough of them parents they try to live back for them young days through them little young daughter eye. Man all tell them say, oh, me like your daughter, and the man older than the mother. The man older than the mother, and the mother say, well, him say him like you, you know. And if you can't, that's what you can get. Just take what you can get. How that sound for your mother tell her child. How that sound for your mother tell her son. Say her son must go take what him can get. You hear it sound? Disturbing. But again, what is good to me is death to somebody else. And what is death to them is life to somebody else. You understand? All me can tell you say everybody will have big children. Still pray over your children them. Everybody will have the little young children them when you know say you have to go out. And again, one of the next thing we are bother we and a plague we in our society at Jamaica is when a mother have to go carry her youth to put him on a bus and she go take another bus to go to work. And one of the most dangerous thing because the youth them go to school and play and sometimes them not even member. Say them they go take the bus there. Them not even member. Say all the taxi that them for go in at night all come down them last all them lunch money because them go play. And one of the most dangerous thing. When a girl where breed up and have the bag of pit to them. Yes, children are a blessing, but why you bringing the blessing to come struggle boy? Yeah? Eh? From me young, them a tell me say 2 is better than too many, you know. And girl we are 25 have 6 pitney, you know. None of them can help none, you know. The sight. So as when I say me just there, when me no like or when me no like, this is just me talking, because I love chat sometime. But my talk when me make una go say it make sense, because you don't know me and an idiot. Because I can't come talk about mix up and get a whole heap of followers. I can't get 500 people over this now if I want. I can't get 1,000 people over this right now if I want. I have things where I can't talk about to get 1,000 people. I can't turn my page in a gossip site right now if I want. But what that going to do for me? What is that going to do for me? And now elevate me or motivate me, man. So I'm not depend that. Just I try to tell you, say if you have a little young youth, especially a little young son, you don't realize where I go on. Remember, everybody are laughing, you know. You laugh, you know, everything is a joke, you know, the world is a joke, you know. And you don't see the seriousness where I go on in the world, you know, because first of all, them don't like when you come out and come talk too positive, you know. Remember that, you know, anytime you come out and have too much sense, them don't like that, you know. You see me? Them don't like that, but when you have disgrace and I go on, everybody love that. Done him Richie. Done the girl Richie. And everybody jump up on the past tight and everybody share the live and I watch two people bring down them one another. And this a life gone now, you know. This a morals there right now, you know. Zane. I'll tell you something. So anybody where you and them was friend, you used to share food and share clothes and share all of that. If you don't talk or something and it unreconcilable, just make it stay so. Nobody come on the internet come bring down your friend. Regardless of what. Don't come bring down your friend. Just bow out gracefully. Just don't bring down your friend. Because I was your friend one time. So I saw you did hate this a person, and that's you just decide say you want to come talk. How much money your friend take? Your friend take this and your friend and this and your friend and that and your friend this, you know. You don't see it on the internet, they only can't like that. Only can't like that. That nice? That not nice. You and them now for link again. That's no say them good, man. You over here and them over there, man. Trust me. Better it work that way there. And all when you know things about them and you can And you can't bring them right down the ground. Just swallow it. Swallow your spit. Swallow your spit, because trust me. It's worse when you have children and your children them are grown. Don't embarrass your kids them. Remember, you know, enough of them sit on the internet and shame them picnic, you know. But the youth them is not of age yet for just tell them mind. The youth them not of age yet. Enough for you know, where they on the internet and bring down everybody and go on and go on. Remember say everything you want to do, you know. Everything you want to do, when the kids them a see it, you know. When the kids them a see it, but here I know them can't open them mouth because it's one of them live with and all of the disgrace and the something them with them have to deal with and all of them something. Just remember the man, when I have it for answer to as soon as them can't afford to leave around, you know, them are going to tell you say the worst thing that ever happened to you with them. I tell you, all of we now have to be body and bench and body. But certain things we can't just leave alone. You know how much things me leave alone? You know how much things them say about me? Them talk some real things about me and me laugh. Because I remember say to some of them, me are dead for hungry. To some of them, me I suffer. Nothing now go on for me. And that's fine. Because me and myself know so I still can afford a little dumpling in mackerel sauce. Still can afford to buy a bag of callaloo. I still can afford to buy 2 plantains. You understand? I might can't eat oxtail. I might can't buy $1,300 a pound fish. But I can buy a pound of salt fish. So I'm still satisfied with what I can afford. And the reason why a lot of people is so miserable, they are trying to keep up with the Joneses. And when you're keeping up with the Joneses, it's a high maintenance, it's a high task. Why you think that so much disrespect reach out some man? Because him knows him live in a little one room and him well want to live on king size bed. So him run go live in a woman house. And when him run go live in a the woman house, him now want to live by the woman rules. And when the woman talk, him want this the woman and the woman say, get out my house, you piece of shit. You filthy piece of shit. You understand? I see a next thing on the internet where a brother goes up and say, yo, him have a job. And him have good, him have a business and him make good money. Him have him house. Him have this and that and him talk to a girl. I remember if I cheer him talk to the girl and him tell the girl say him want her to come live with him. Man say him give the girl money pan top of money pan top of money. And when him tell her say come live with him just to come assist him because him have a disability. The girl say no, she not live with him. And him there on the internet and him ask advice. Him no see say she a take where she can get. She a take where she can get. So as long as it's there, she will stick around. But she not gonna give me even little water. If him sick right away, she gonna tell him say, yo, pull the plug before him even dead. She just say, pull the plug on him, make me watch him a dead. Cause she want him sign away everything they are. We have to know who we are deal with. You never know a person till you really know them. Because you can deal with a person 30 years, you know. And you still don't know them, you know. And me not talk about this red flag thing. Because I remember say, you gotta ask people if them never see the sign. Let me tell you this. You say you love somebody, we no business about flag nor sign. None of them something we no business about. Love not show you nothing but picket fences and White House and pretty furnitures and pretty chandeliers. And that love show it. You hear me say? When you love, you not, me no want nobody to come talk about, oh girl, the signs were there. None of you can tell me so you see no sign when you have feeling for somebody. None of you. Because of the feeling what we have at the time. Because you will sit down with a person and tell them, say, listen, let me go through this with that woman. Woman do me this already. And she say, and she just listen for do your worse. So you have to just deal with people with an open mind. I not deal with people with expectation, you know. Because when you expect too much, there's a disappointment come. I allow people to be themselves. Because again, you will do something and a person don't like it and them get upset. And the one time when them get upset, you're done with them. Because you say, I don't expect this. And again, not far away, Chewy done whore out and fuck out and suck out, we want to tell people say, you must not do this and you must not do that. You can't tell people what to do. People are going to do them regardless. Like all me now, me is a selector. And me going to tell a girl, say, she not supposed to go to a party. Because she is not a selector. You leave her, make she go on. She must know when she want to stop go. She must know where she a go for. So who is me now for the argue and war with her? Me not go argue with her. You love people and make them do what them want to do and be who them want to be. Because again, them say hurt people, you know. But one of the wickedest things what happen in life. If you want to know people true intention, just make them not get to them want. Statious. Happy belated birthday, Statious. Happy belated birthday, Statious. I'm not gonna cuss you today because I love you a long time. Right? I love you, Statious. You're a girl you're full of ambition. And you hold up your head high, regardless of what people want to say. You're in a music same way you do other things. You're a girl who have a lot of respect for you. Remember, you and me and you know this. Me and you know this. People, we're not supposed to acknowledge people. Like for instance, when me dead, when I want a bumbo clap body I come and cry over my grave. Because I not have no grave. I not have no grave. Nobody not come talk about Richie was a good youth. Tell me say me a good youth when my blood clot alive. When me dead, you feel like you can come buy no pretty clothes and come on my funeral and you come suck me. Me say them have to burn blood clot me. And carry me ashes and dash with that blood clot. Nobody save me in a jar. Me dead. You hear? Me dead and blood clot gone. Everybody want to come treat you good when you're dead. Everybody want to treat you good when you're dead. Oh, me I gonna know say, you tell me say, me a good youth. Eh? And you come talk about you throw liquor for blood clot, Richie. Throw your mother for Richie, man. Bumbo clot. But that I know so I can cuss. You hear me say? People are come go on like them want. Oh, them love me the most. And when me dead, me not see that. Me not dead there. Me not know. You hear? But you don't know. Me have to tell you that a while ago. Because it just come like it hit a nerves. People, I'm telling you this. Death is a must. Nobody no want dead. I mean, I live for dead. You see me? Can't remember say you can't go to your bed. The wickedest thing in when you go to your bed, you don't know if you're going to wake up. You don't know if you're going to wake up. Cause a lady them know, man. Tell her say me I go which part she I go with my friend, man. Yo, God no. Yeah, people. When I know when I come on, I come talk foolishness. We have to come talk the truths and rights. And health is the most important thing. Health. Health. And don't try to prove nothing to nobody. Don't try to prove nothing to nobody. Anything what them have in them chest that them done have in there already. Don't waste your energy and try to prove blood clot. People say, I know so you stay. Anything what them want to believe, make them believe. Because remember them say some breed of things about me to pussy clot. Some breed of things when me hear about myself and me laugh. I laugh. I laugh. I laugh. And when me I try to show you again, we are living in a time where we know say we bills have to pay. You can't be too dependent on a person, because you have to remember say sometimes the burden bearer need to put on the burden too. Need to put on and us, revamp. Just like when I say someone they are foreign now work 3 and 4 jobs to take care of everybody in the family. Never you blood clot feel like say nobody can do without you. You hear? Don't you ever feel that, because they will survive. It might be rough, but remember it was easier when you were around. So them would say, okay, she there and she go do it, or him go do it. But when it come on to you, you know, so you have to do it for yourself. You hear me tell you? Right now the life for me I live, I'm living a very good life. I never live a bad life. I grow up nice. I grow up come see my great granny. I grow up come see my grandfather, my granny, my uncle, my family and love grow me. I don't grow up off a survival. Super Polo. Super Leo. Yeah man, me I come to New York come play about music early this year. Early this year. Me I tell you, say me I come back. My man like me stop playing music, those visa issue me did have, you see me. I don't know when you have a visa issue, it make it look like say nothing nah go on, because you know depend enough of the little local thing them where you go on where you used to depend. And the world want to see you. So having a visa make it more easier for you to traverse. And everybody don't know say our main market is America, as DJs, as selectors, as entertainers. So when a man no see I take the plane and I go to Florida and I go to New York, it's like man I say yo nothing I go on, you mash up. But you don't know sometimes something if you happen your foot get your ankle ring, and ever broke your foot, broke your ankle just ring. But you don't know a New Year we don't know, you see me? So look out for it in a New York. We have something lined up. You see me? We have something lined up. Remember say we have H now, One of the wickedest thing one time people used to call me, walk and talk. One of the wickedest thing when people used to call me and want to book me, because people call me from America every day. I have data Panama City I wait for me. I have data Miami I wait for me. I have data Fort Lauderdale I wait for me. I have data New York I wait for me. I have data like Hawaii I wait for me. I tell you no, because remember this, talent no sell half a tree road, Just like how you see me go and buy fabric, I make nobody chicken and like say Richie dead for hungry. Mother no saw me rosy. And no see how me look. And no see my skin tone. Dazzle, you know say data Atlanta they there wait for me, right? You know. Yeah, I'm a fat. Everybody knows I'm a fat, but me healthy. So you love bring me down. That's time I tell you, say me I gotta bring you down, Yeah, so you love bring me down. Everything good, man. You know they down there wait for me. I want to know people. All you need, man, is health and strength, man. Everything is possible, man. Everything is possible. May I tell you? Don't know. Big up my friend Spice. She know me love her. I'm a friend that. I don't know, you can't visit me and her. That's my friend. Remember, so she have a journal. So anybody who... Every woman need a journal. Man need journal too, but every woman need a journal. So I want you to go and Spice. Amazon, just go to Amazon and order Spice journal. You see me? Big up all of the Spice people, them really love Spice. Because you have some people who love Spice, while you have some people them can't stand Spice because of our success. And when you're successful as a get hungry girl, worse them love talk about you're black and ugly. Remember, say black is blood clot beautiful. And me always tell people that black is very beautiful. You never see some melanin people down in Africa yet. When them blood cleat smile or them teeth white and pretty, them skin tone make them make millions just because of them blackness. Proud of your blackness, people. Now follow people. Love your skin tone. You love your skin that you're in. Because the first thing that them a tell about you're black. You're black and ugly. You're black and ugly. And them body shame you, you're big and fat and sour. Remember, me is one of the nicest, sweetest fat man you will ever come across. And me admit say me fat, but remember me clean. And we not come on and come brag about vanity. Because me I tell you say most of the people them cuss you and I tell you say you're big and fat and sour. If you and them, if me and them ever go a doctor right now, me I tell you say 2 a week I go in and 1 a week I go come out on a ball. And me know no me I go come out on a ball. Me I tell you. Ask anybody who come across with your feelings. Them say we feisty. Remember, as a killer fella say, you know, we not hype. But we bossy. Because as a black man, you feel bossy. I mean, if I look upon life like that, you feel bossy. Them say you feel humble, but you have to have like a bossiness, boy. You have to be proud of yourself. And you know how you carry yourself. Take pride in how you carry yourself. As a black woman, you know, for hype, but you feel bossy, you feel have some little cockiness, boy. You understand? And stand up and know, say, I want to you. No enough, what I do. Feel like when you can chat to me certain way and deal with me certain way. No be the footstool for nobody. I want to you. I remember, say, age come with experience. You never know, say, we live to the age of even 30. You understand? A years me realize say humble calf dead for hungry. Because them used to tell us say humble calf suck the most milk. A lie. Humble calf dead for hungry. I bet there be a bossy calf. Yeah, people. See my jacket, them man.
Hello, people.
Don't know a new year, you know. We have push the business.
Fold the sun them properly.
We have push the business far this year, you know. Remember that, you know. Because I feel like we are going to work for people forever, so, you know. We have to have our own business, you know. Be an entrepreneur, you know. So you don't know people. I want to go up on my daughter page. OAB Designs. She make bonnets and ropes. She make pillowcase. You understand? I want to go up on her page and support her. We not beg people, but me ask you if you kindly go up on her page. Remember, 2 years, this is a year I go make 3 years our business I go. You understand? In 2020 she look at me and tell me say she want a skill. Because she have this big degree, I just have it so. Have this big degree, yeah. And just have the degree and I just hear she said, Dad, I want a skill. You hear me say? I remember, boom, a 3 year the business gone. I try to mash up the business all the time and the business now mash up. All me I tell you, say, no buy nothing from her. The business, yo, God no. The business gone past me. I have to load the business. Them say if you can't beat the business, join the business. So, you don't know. See how you always ready for talk to and promote our business. Remember me have to promote you, you know. Leave the door your jacket, you don't know. You have no jacket?
We have no jacket.
Your jacket. You know your jacket, missy. So nobody make it not make it look like say you have a jacket. Look at me and look at she. Right? Jacket.
We can't even bother to put on the table.
Right? You don't know. Yeah, I look at jacket and thing. Sometimes I love you and another time I don't really like you.
You always love me. What do you mean?
What do you mean me always love you? I Whitney Houston sing the song there. You think me a Whitney Houston? But I'll always love you. Me don't know about that.
You can't say anything you want to say, you know.
Me don't know about that. And when I look at ratings from you, but just know say, yeah, my jacket.
Oh yeah?
You understand? Puffy, I'm my son, and you, I'm my jacket.
Yeah?
And that you have to know. And just know, say, me have a little one when named Spongy. And don't know Spongy, I'm a real pitney. And you, I'm a real pitney.
Sure.
How you feel about that?
Okay, no.
You feel okay?
Yeah.
I like when you feel okay about Spongy. And you never meet Spongy yet.
Please.
You think you not meet Spongy? You have to meet Spongy. How you feel?
I make scrunchies. Okay?
Hear her about she makes scrunchies. Then that's why me name the baby Spongy. Because I know you make Spongy. You're gonna need to make a liquor. Daddy and me for her.
Daddy and me?
Yeah, a daddy and me. You have to make a daddy and me robe.
That's funny.
Oh, you mean it's funny? You have to go make a daddy and me 2 bonnet. One for me and one for my new pitney. You hear she knock up on that one and her feeling she getting up people. And she a big woman. She go like she don't want me get no more pitney. But me don't get my next pitney already. I eat that fishy. Remember that. Anyway, tell them about OAB. I make them know about the business car. You don't know how I go do this year for the business car. You don't know.
Hi people. Jeez, I'm gonna feel so put together, but
I reckon
that's
just
one of
come
them
from.
days there.
You put together.
People, the business is going to be super big this year. So with all of the engagements and proposals, I'm planning to do an expansion on my business where I'm going to be making bridesmaids proposal boxes and maid of honor proposal boxes where people can tailor the box specifically to suit their need. So guys, it's coming. I'm so excited to make the boxes and you guys will see them soon. I'm also planning to venture into candle making. I went to a candle making workshop and I was so excited, and it really easy, but that's what I like. YouTube is there. I really started my business by watching YouTube videos. It never easy. Wasn't a walk in the park, but when you put your mind to something and you really want to achieve it, you gotta just commit yourself to doing it until you reach a point where you feel like, yeah, mama can make something out of this. And that's what I did with my business. Every time I try to learn something new, I just realize, say, all right then, it now work out, this not good, but I still try and learn what I go wrong and fix it. Even last night, I was making a satin bag for the first time, and I watched several videos, and the first video I watched on a satin bag, but it's so funny that the one I watched yesterday explained it so simply. Saying, all this time you watch videos and I just couldn't find nothing where I stick, and that one here just sounds so easy. I'm gonna do it and it turned out so good. So I'm going to add satin boxes to my product offering. I just feel really excited about 2024. There's a lot I'm looking forward to business wise, and just stay tuned. Here.
You hear that? Me have a scream for her and ball out for her. Remember, are you first for ball out and reel up for your pitney? I want to feel like we have to ball out for them all when them a jacket. Cause remember, sometime at the jacket them come do the right thing. What you mean, oh, she speaks so sweet? What you mean? My big delegate that I not talk about. I don't know joke thing. No, me not just a tell you no. Oh, my big university pitney. I feel like a them thing we're supposed to boast about. But more time we can't even brag, because when you talk about your pitney too much, people have problem with it. I know we make you not spend the time with your pitney and push your pitney and do the right thing for your pitney. You understand? Remember, every brother have a different mind, The dedication we have to spend with the youth, you spend it on girl and gone and the girl. And that's the thing when you found to go wrong. No time at all and not spend. Look on her. She a jacket. Remember, she have her license, she if you drive me around, But she tell me if you drive her around. Because the people them think you don't have no license. You have license, and her license all.
My license is 3 years old.
I know 1 year, a 3 year. I remember she drive feet. Type in OAB design and pin it. Cause we have to promote the business this year. You have to mind me.
Why me a type foolishness?
You don't remember your page?
No, not that.
So pin it now.
How do that?
Click on it.
I feel like an old lady. Old phone man.
Jesus Christ. Don't know, she don't really understand this something. It's a pin there, you click on it and it's a pin the comment. Now you see it up there now,
Yeah,
pin?
see it.
Yeah, welcome to this thing. You don't understand.
I don't do live like that.
You don't have to do no live. I'm alive. God is not dead, but he's alive. I'm going with a crocus bag of thing. Then, so yeah, people, I tell you, so you have to push the youth them as far as them want to go. Anything them want to venture in, you support them. As long as it's nothing illegal. And remember again, you have to tell the youth them to always tread the right road. Always show respect. Show respect to the garbage man. Don't play no work. This is the next thing that plague our society. Imagine now. Your child pass for a high school. Maybe it's not traditional like the Queens and the Immaculate and Excelsior and all of these places, and your youth pass for Norman Manley. Right away, you start cuss Norman Manley. Remember, it's still a school. They teach it's the same syllabus there at all the schools. I understand the stigma that is at all these schools. Because again, your child will get distracted by the company they keep. Because your child will go to school to learn and she get distracted or he get distracted by many other things. Where you say what you have for men? Bonnets and robes. Then man now wear bonnets and robes. Remember man with beard
So them a soon start selling shorts.
and she said she soon start sell shorts or shorts. Remember you know. My big bright daughter you know. Remember saying enough time when the people them book me for the things them you know. She a one of my secretary them you know. Wanna feel like when you can't come send me anything and I can't read it good and I send it go give me daughter and say tell me what this mean. How that me send her go to school for? If you don't want the world to know so you can't read or write good, go to your child because you send your child go to school to come help you. Now you hear me talk about she for mind me. She can't mind me. A joke me I make. She can't mind me because I don't want nothing from her. I would love how she help herself and stand up on her foot. I'm proud to see how she can pop out her card and pay for her piece of Jesus and not beg me nothing. I feel good to say. She not beg me for nothing. As that you raise them for. You send them go to school and them do the time and the effort and the whole of the something. Because she could have go fail. She go fail. Remember when she got Queens? Remember she passed. She got Irish girl first. Then she got New Day. And then she passed from New Day and passed to Queens. And when she passed to Queens, first farm, second farm, third farm, fourth farm, fifth farm, sixth farm, right? And she do CXC. And when she do CXC, I think 8 subjects she should do. And she get 8 of them. Then she got upper 6. And where do her upper 6?
Same 8 cape.
Cape. She do cape. Right? And she do 8 cape and she get 8 of them. So that's 16. Right? So 16 subject that right there some pick me have. Them time there me not even have 1. Right? And then she go a UA. I remember them fight my daughter too, you know. Remember one wicked teacher fight all my pitney, you know. She another teacher, they do again.
We're talking on hall, my floor mates.
No man, not up a UA. Not up a UA. Up a Queens. When you did apply for the school and them a talk about.
Oh,
remember my daughter was head girl at Queens, you know. Deputy head girl, you know. Cause them fight her out of the head girl position. Remember my daughter a big thing. Me don't want to feel like saying like a joke thing, you know, people. Me have to brag over my daughter and go on over her, you know. My daughter not a regular thing. My daughter run Queens already. And when she go up a UA, them fight her up there. Cause she did apply for something and them talk about she go like she better than people. Should have better than people. When you come meet me and my daughter,
Oh my God.
I fight, me ready for fight two of them. Come and see my daughter face makeup. I'm say, yo, whom for go up to go war with? And she said, no, daddy love them. When you can't stay there, ramping my daughter and see something there. Say, if I don't want to change my skin. Just change my skin. I want naked. And go up there and show them how me embarrass it. I don't feel like when you can't embarrass my pity, but you can't embarrass me. Me embarrass myself. Them fight her. And she take it to heart. I'm say, don't give up my child. So it go. Strongest soldier will always get the hardest fight. Anything good, don't come easy. You can't stay there and feel like a joke thing. Me want naked. Me want naked from town got Portmore for my pitney. I make the people them say, oh Richie, I want to Richie. I want to Richie. Yeah man. Go ask want to Richie. Me a madman. You can't stay there, yeah? You don't know who is Richie, man. There's nothing one can say about me for mash me up. Nothing. I mash up already. But they don't know, say I to the day, yeah. Remember one time, you know, Shaga Queens and me pick her up every evening and I did there foreign. And she said, I miss my father, because my father would have come carry me home. Here, one girl. Where always beg me for carry her, for drop her home. I miss her always, because she love beg for people, you see. She love beg for people. Daddy, you know, she's going near us. You can drop her, and me drop this girl in her yard. And then me not there for drop home my pit here, you know. Your love depend on your father though. You depend on your father too much. But yet still at the same father, she asks for drop her yard. The same father, you know, that will just show you how people stay. So that's what I'm telling you, say jealousy. Jealousy is a thing. You have to pay attention to all of these things. Because remember, you know, me say love depend on her father. But the same father, what you tell us that she love depend on, you are depend on him to drop you, make it easier for you to say now to take bus. You see how people stay? Look, you should look him never cuss her out. Don't know your youth, but just love them and say, no, you do, yeah? But you don't know. I have to brag over my pitney. And when it come on to my son now, I have to brag over my son. Because I remember no one pitney me. I have to brag over my son, you know. Because I watch this now. I remember when my son did younger, he might try all kind of things. He run away. Run away. And par with boy. After him father now par with boy. I remember when at the time I said I go send him a proof school, juvenile center. I remember my friend them said, no, Richie, I'm going to get worse. Because him used to smoke weed and I thief my money. And him not for thief, all him have to do a axe feet. I see it there now, see him there? Big man, him turn now when him look back on them something, them I say my father. You know, say all of them something I want me to do, me never have to do it. One time I tell me say one Clark, so we go to school. So I say look in your shoes, where your shoes name. When Cartel goes to mama and sing Clarks, the boy have how much Clarks, the boy have put Clarks. Remember Cartel say put it in the fridge, cool here where you have. The boy have put Clarks in the fridge. I say, I kill you, I want me kill you. How you want me there, man? Where you do, man? Where Clarks are doing in the fridge, boy? Take all the Clarks out of the fridge. First me hear the news there. Boy, I put Clarks in a fridge, man. Now you hear me I tell him, man. But I'm proud of him. Tell him this enough time. Proud of him I go on. Enough time him do some things I mean I like, but I'm a pitney, you know. I can't do nothing more than love him. I'm gonna make him one mistake. Cause remember, me I try to tell him about some mistake what me did make, but him have to make few mistake them. Just like how me say I have to make fair one mistake. Yeah, man, you can't give up on your youth, them, man. You're mad, man. Send your youth to juvenile center, your youth are going to get worse. Me, I tell you no. People at Jamaica, do not send your picnic go no juvenile center. Because you have some other juvenile where they will stab people and kill people already, burn up people with acid, all kind of wickedness them do. And your youth just run with 2 times. Your daughter just a rush to get big. I do some little minor thing. You hear me say, man? Just nobody give up on your youth. Don't give up on your youth. Especially when you have a daughter, you say your daughter bad. And you know, they must say your daughter shame you because your daughter go on like she a whore and them something. They listen to me, man, your daughter. She'll make some mistake, but she'll learn. Don't give up on your youth, them. Don't give up on your youth, them. Don't come talk. Don't do like some father. Why you think some crosses that reach some father, boy? How them youth? How them treat them youth, regardless of what you have to remember, say you're a pitney. You have to remember, say you're a youth. Don't you ever forget, say you're a youth. Alright, look on it. And my daughter closer to 30 now, you know.
Oh my God.
You know why you hear that he? You must feel like when you was 18 this. You remember when you was 9 and 10? And time to get big and turn woman. Remember when time you turn 18 you talk about I'm an adult now. You remember when you said that? I'm an adult now. You beg so you turn adult now. You beg so you turn adult here now. Because you have responsibility now. You have bills. You never know so you don't ever pay bills in life. You think that me I pay for bill. Done idiot. Now I see you. Well, like you know I used to show. Right now, I'm glad. Sometimes I'm sad and sometimes I'm glad. Because I remember, I'm a little pitney. I used to go in a children's place. Remember when I go to New York and I go in a children's place and I buy things 6 and 7, age 8 and 9 or 9 and 10. And them something them you start buy in a children's place. I say how they rotted this. And I go in a gap. And I go in a gap. And I buy big things for my little daughter. See it there? Right now? Shall use her shipping something now. Ideas done. See it there? Remember when I watch Peely from Peely at 3. Peely at 13 this year. Just think about that. You remember when Peely used to tell you, say she had a big thing and we had a little thing. And look on Peely now. At Excelsior Peely I go right now. Excelsior, I'm not talking about Excelsior water crackers. Just remember little Peely. Want to sit on the internet and fall in love with Peely. Remember that Peely there? She had 13 this year. Okay. Right in front of how she grew up. Yeah, man. But I feel good for no say. My dead end of my youth them life, you know. It's a good feeling. Because the sacrifice what we make for the youth them, I tell you, I have no regret. If I do it all over again, I do it. I have no regret. You can't get youth. Youth is a responsibility, you know. It's a responsibility. It can mold you if you become a better man. Because getting a youth, because I tell no found this one never know that, you know. When I say Raz, man, Raz. Don't look for your youth, them the man. And just remember say your grandfather. You can't be grandfather anytime too, man. We're not the same boat, Raz, man. Remember getting a youth is a responsibility where we have to deal with. Some of we choose to run left with responsibility. And why Mother's Day will always be bigger than Father's Day? Because fathers, enough of them love run left them responsibility. If you think me perfect, me not perfect, but me never run. Me know me do enough things where them not like, but me do more good than bad. Me know me do more good than bad. Me sure about that. Here this Raz them get a next youth. Raz, where are the show off? Raz, where are the show off for me, man? I show off here, try show off for me, Raz. Everything good as man. Everything good as. But remember, more time we have to just take time and just look back and remember which part we have come from, you know? Remember one time gone you want to buy all a pair of shoes and you can't buy a pair of shoes because you have to make sure the youth them have shoes for them foot. You need a shoes, you know, because you have to go out to go work if you can buy them a shoes. God the shoe maker and the shoe maker fix up your shoes. For you can buy them a shoes. Remember say I want to man. Before we get popular and could and did I go foreign and I buy the thing. Then we have to go Sammy's man up a Sammy's, big up Sammy's shoes man. Anybody will come from Jamaica know about Sammy's shoes. Big up Sammy's shoes, that place before that was PLS before PLS. Because that's how we used to go and buy with daughter shoes. Buy our school shoes, buy our church shoes. Sammy shoes, man. Everybody know about Sammy shoes, man. I want to tell you, man. Remember the first time I got to New York, you know. Got Japan, you know. I said I spent 2 weeks in New York, you know. And Sally carry me go Bobby's, Bobby's and Rainbow, you know. Remember when I go in a Rainbow, man, I tell you, man. I will Rainbow upon Flatbush. Remember me I tell you, man. I hold in there, me buy for Missy and Puffy, man. Hold in there. So what I want to say, you come here. Rainbow, I love you. I just see things for me pick to them, so. I just see things for them. Remember when I go to man go up on Jamaica Avenue and book a place named Dr. J's. Oh my God. Me run past Foot Locker, me run past Foot Action. Me run past the one of them places and go to Dr. J's. When I go to Dr. J's and order shoes, the people I bring send it downstairs for a little leather thing. What? Dr. J's, man. I love you, man. Don't even talk about Vim. All Vim. Mount of school shoes that I buy for my pick them and my brother them. Yeah, man. Vim and Dr. J's, man. Good God, man. Vim and Dr. J's. A place to be. Now stay there. I remember one time gone when Kuya did a run the place. Kuya run out, man. You can't buy a pair of Kuya just so. Yo, them still sell the I Love New York t-shirt. Them nobody wear them there. Same way. Them damn them shirt they sell for $5, man. 4 I Love New York t-shirt me buy. What? Come say New York, listen, man. 4 I Love New York t-shirt. First time I got Canada, I got Pearson. No Pearson with them all the name, man. With them all the name, man. Remember them all, man. A big mall where they are name there. Where they are Toronto. Going to them all, man. We live a good life, people. So anytime I sit down and remember back where I come from, we live more good than bad. We go through some rough patch in our life, but we never suffer one day yet. We never ever suffer one day yet. God bless you, so we always could have find food for put on the table. You hear me say, man? And I make nobody tell you about the creator and real. You can't call him anything you want to call him, but the creator is real. The spirits are real. Nature is real. Don't follow people, because when you follow people, because remember people are going to choose what they want. Some people worship cow, some people worship all kind of things. You understand? Who you worship and believe in, you go and believe in them. Now tell nobody what to do. I don't know about your doctrine. But I mean nobody force you to do what you don't want to do. You hear me say, man? Come a foreign and buy up a bag of things and I go back to Jamaica. Them time that America used to be way more affordable. Remember the first Thanksgiving, Black Friday, when I tell a Fort Lauderdale. I said the line, them long. I don't know if people still join them long line there. People are there at the outside of people's store. People outside of people's store are wait for hours. I remember I go to one of my brethren them. Go on one Black Friday up at one part. Up in a Boston side there so. Up a Massachusetts. And me I tell us a coach have sale and this have sale. And the man want buy a coach back for him woman. And remember me I tell us say yo. The line long from here so go way down at one place. And me I say black people in them line. I mean I see no white people. But remember me never better off. Because remember me that a true religion store. Me have to join the true religion line. Me have to join the true religion line. Now people do more online shopping. People do more online shopping. Remember, as I'm telling you, it's social media. All heap of good people we meet on this. All heap of good people. Social media is a place where a social media name. So we come and meet a portion of people. And I tell you, we cherish the whole of you. All I know we sit down, we can have a conversation privately, publicly. Because social media name, we never meet in a real life yet, but we come like so we come as family because of the conversation them we hold. I know enough time you go up on another life and you hear the people them attack and your life them attack about and you say, oh Richie know my business. I never tell Richie. I just study spirit work. I just study spirit work. People in America clean up on the credit. Pay your phone bill on time. You have the credit card, pay your credit card bill. Build up your credit. Make sure your credit score up there. Because if your credit score not good, you're not going to achieve certain things where you want. Don't follow the outer road, down a town, sidewalk mentality. You understand? We have to wise. We have to smart. Fix up your credit. We're not sound enough to buy good clothes and take care of yourself, but hold back past some of your spending. Because enough to buy some things for us to put in a closet. Every time when you see a sale, you just buy things. But don't know that some people them shop because them stress. So them really stress by when them go up online go shop. But it come like you're more stressed when you look on the crosses, them where you go to look on all of these clothes where you go buy. All of these bags where you go have in your place and not use. You know what I mean? So we have to just buy what we need. See me? I know the woman them after shopping at them therapy. I know shopping enough on the therapy, but you know if you can control that shit. You see me? Because remember say you don't have no siblings where you don't get anything. You don't have no kids who don't get anything. You just a shopper. If you were to see them, they only depend it on $1,000 you spend over there. So right away you look at you say you spend $10,000 on clothes. And half of them clothes in the wear. Half of them clothes in the wear. Fix up on the credit, people. Don't know. Stop procrastinate and talk about say you want to do this, say you want to do this. You have to just get up and do it. No make no sense your plan. Yeah, you have your plan and you say write it down, but get up and do some things, people. We're up in a age now, you know. Yeah, man, we're up in a age, man. When you come to Jamaica, stop just come to Jamaica for just going a party alone for show people so not just up in a party. Go to some place and enjoy a little life, make a little water beat for nobody. When you not utilize on a big pretty eagle on have, you know. When you have to sit in the shit, when you sit as a shit. And you not utilize it, what you do. Eh? And I know a lot of women is hurt and battered and bruised. Because you not say you not help no man now, you not do this for no man and no man this and a man that and a man this and a. May I understand. A whole heap of man we know we say them not help no woman again neither too. But it's true we hear the woman them cry more than the man because sometimes the man them too shame for come talk. If you ever listen to some man's story when they say, oh God no. Then that man you not go like no woman, he might go hate every one of them. Because some man go through 5, 6 women and every one of them doing wicked at each other. Every one of them doing wicked. But remember say man not to come tell them cry and man just wall it. Because them say man a burden bearer. Because when a man come out and say certain things on the sound him a mama man, on the same too soft, on the same too this. Because man no get for show them look a feminine side. I pay masculinity man for sure. You don't hear about the gentle giant. Man love comfort, you know. Man love comfort. You must make your man or your brethren or whosoever you want to call him, your best friend, everybody. You must make a man feel at peace if he can come to you, come reason with you. And about when you and him have something on your backs, you start telling back what him tell you. I don't like that. I don't like that style. Stop take people pain and use it back and tell them that will make you lose your life. That will make you lose your life. You have to be careful how you use back people pain against them. Don't do it. Me I tell you no, for no one good, not do it. Learn to listen without even saying something. Because sometimes some people just want you for dead. They just want you to be there. You dead? Yeah man, me there man. Me I listen to you, you know. Me I listen to you man. I'm to you man, you know much you reason me and cry to me. You know much big man cry to me. Because I hurt to them hurt because of woman. You know much man live all of Jamaica yeah, and lose them balls. You know much man they are foreign and lose them balls. And when I say lose your balls, it's like him lose him manhood. Him no remember say him is a man. Because the woman I use everything against him. And she don't know say I build him up for earth she, you know. Because when him do find all the strength and leave are the best thing that him do, you know. But some man in a position right now where them can't even leave. Some man have to deal with home, I call immigration. Some man have to deal with child support because he want to see him daughter and he can't even get to see him daughter. Money them a deal with, the money grabbing, the money hungry. I deal with the bitterness. Just like some woman, them a deal with it too. So I don't want to feel like it's a one-sided thing, a two-sided, you know. Because nothing is ever one-sided. Nothing is ever one-sided. Life a two-way street. They don't have no one-way street. So we have to always open for listening and we must learn to take constructive criticism. Enough times some people say some things to me, I don't like it. But when I go to my Bex and I look back at myself, I go say, John, you know, so I choose me see that time. Because we cannot and must not be afraid to take constructive criticism. Remember me and Bojo go say man a reason, you know. And before me and him start reason, Bojo say, Richard, you know someone wants to say something to you. The man say, me I watch you. Him said this to me. Down in the last year one of them time, I never remember, but him said to me, say, Richard, I see you like you're transforming to a blogger. Remember music you play for feed your family. Remember you're not a blogger. You come like you forgot say you're a selector. I say, no, I not forgot. Because I use this to keep relevancy. Because this me just come on and just. You understand? I understand what you must say, you know. And the man said, don't take this as a disrespect or an insult, you know. Just take it as constructive criticism. See? And Bojo tell me that. And me never vex. I look into it and I say, when I come on pan live, we used to come on pan live every day. And we don't do that again. We just come on selectively now. Because we still play music and that I pay with bills. Remember that. We still live off, you know. Music, you know. Trishana. Smiley. You nobody come say nothing. Because you depend every life where me depend. You nobody come say nothing. But that you say. You nobody say nothing. Because you depend, you depend as me come on and you first pick up the notification. So you nobody say nothing. You nobody say nothing. Because if me come on right now, just like come there and talk, you there and take in everything. You know, there Jamaica, we say me I play the whole of Christmas. Remember, say me go Killer Filler dance New Year's Eve. Remember, every year me normally would there England. And this year alone, me not go to England for New Year's Eve. Me there Killer Filler dance over money over I. Remember, me play. And every week me play, but me play every month. And when me play for Ministry of Health staff party. Me play for couple staff party. Well, not because you don't see it, that no mean it not happen. And this again more and tell people, not because we not post everything, that no mean say, because people are say because they not see it not happen. No. It still happen same way. We are play, we not every dance like one time. And me okay with that. Because again, Richie now drop him value. Me know my value. Me know where my worth. The boy can't come talk about him and give Sandra son gas money. Me can't afford to buy me one a gas. You understand? Because first thing when a man hear about Richie feelings, you know. When him go somebody man see you, you know. You have to be presentable to him, you know. Him look upon you have to clean. Because again, your name, he might hear about this name a long time. So when him see you and you present yourself, him look upon all your foot, and when him look upon your foot, he must say, yo, then what kind of dirty shoes that we have beg bread Richie have on. Then how Richie smell so. And him smell so frozy. You understand? Like how people watch everything, you know. So when they hear about your name, the first thing them do, them are gonna look upon you. People look how you carry yourself. Them look by your face. Them looking at your mouth. You understand? Them watch how you smell. So you have to carry yourself. You have to present yourself. Because again, you're not overvalue yourself, you know. But you have to remember your value. Don't lose your value. Once you start lose your value, nobody no busy you. You think the boy can come talk about them and take Richie and yo, Richie come play around us and come play around us. So you're mad. My laptop are $4,000 for my laptop, you know. Big, pretty M1 me have, you know. But you feel like so that I just come lift up and just come out and back and a girl come talk about Richie, you can come play some song for me. Play some song for you. You have to choose who you give favors them to. And I'm telling you, say about some other people, the first thing them do, Richie, you can't do ads for me. You're not good for play upon them dance. Them say them can't afford you. But you're good to do the ads. You're not good for play upon the dance, you know, but you're good for do the ads. So do the maths. Why you want me to do the ads and you don't want me to play on the dance? You don't rate me for do the ads. You don't rate me for play, but you rate me for do the ads. Nobody blood clot rate me. Me alright. And then when time you go to Obama, you refuse to do certain things. Chishani, you know, so I saw it come on. Sometimes I saw it go, you know. Remember, enough of them not value your talent. Them would have like when you be remember again, Buju is a man that look for me and say, Richard, don't show them your hand. And don't make the boy come talk about you're my youth. Or if you be big man and them come talk about yo, yeah man, Richie, I'm my youth. After me have my big 20-year-old pick to them. Can't remember, you know. Some man alright, living in a girl house rent free, not paying anything. Right away, that's where you lose your balls. Because when she come with a deal and say, this me I go show me here tonight, you not go can't say you not do it because you're not paying no bills, you're driving your car. She buys your clothes, she buys you toothbrush, she buys you everything. She buys the food that's being provided on the table. Everything as she do, you don't do nothing more than take out your blood clot hood. And she sit down upon it and suck it if she want to suck it or whatever, but that's the only value, that's only good for your hood. So you can't lose your blood clot balls as a man. Don't lose your balls. And one thing the boy and a girl can't say Richie love likes. Me love how me stay. Charma boss. Me love how me stay. Me not live above my means. Me live within my means. You get up and I come and talk about baby, you know some toilet paper them done on my yard. You know some toilet paper them done on my yard. You know some want to go wash my soap done. Enough guy get them opportunity there. And the woman them build them and them they will build themselves. Sometimes a woman give a jump start, you know, and them not even knowing as the opportunity that them get, you know. And them this the woman for some girl way. Them get a woman where you do everything for them. And them this that woman for a woman where them want to do everything for. Where them the have. You hear me I say? Your woman they are foreign. You take up a blood clot, girl, we can't buy your ass clot a night dinner. Your gas done. Me never talk about the one in your car. The one in your house done. Whether it's a 25 pound or a 100 pound or a 50 pound. And you can't buy it back and she can't buy it back. But yet still, she want to get comfortable. And when time things get rough, she dig off and run gone because she has a blood clot, the cable cut off. Then I want no cable not there, no internet not there. I mean I have no service for my phone. 200 on a blood clot service. I don't have to call upon Digilone and I borrow blood clot credit. We have to know what we are doing at times like this. You hear me I tell a man, oh man, me I tell you no can't blood clot continue to try with worthless cocky. Me hear a girl come tell me about worthless cocky nice. Me no want no worthless pussy. Move your blood clot with your good pussy and your worthless self. Your pussy good and you worthless. Oh me I go elevate. By me fuck you and me come. And your pussy good and your throat nice. Me blood clot hungry. You a call me and tell me say you beg me a money if you go pay your round robin. Hello blood clot me. Let me go back my fist you know. Let me go back my fist because it cost me less to back my fist you know girl. You love blood clot me man. Go and go wait for you can't get it. Me a struggle you a struggle. Me not did the most struggle blood clot love boy you know. You can't stay there. Say me hype but me not hype but me fucking bossy. That one thing Sanja son bossy no blood clot. And I can back up my bossiness. Never forgot when me the younger. My mother did buy me an Adidas and one girl named Alicia. Me like Alicia. I could have kissed Alicia for Jamaica. Yeah, every night me I suck Alicia breast and I feel up her front. I remember my mother buy me the Adidas. 3 nights straight, my ass clock wear the Adidas. Remember she love off the Adidas. Me never know it's the shoes the girl love and not me. When blood clot the 3rd night when I go look for your ear and you love that one Adidas they do and lick me with a big stone. And from them time I feel learn say listen me some girl value you for your things and not really you. Them the value you as a person. Your blood clot Alisa see me have shoes till me can give you all 6 pair of blood clot shoes and it no miss me. How day me give you 5 pair of shoes. And I feel good for know say me could have do that. The girl after the girl done me, but more want Adidas. A blood clot and go from right as Alicia. Done kiss you and suck your breast already. A blood clot. Yeah, I don't know joke thing. We done do it already. Fuck you, Alicia. We have enough shoes now. You never want me. You did want me shoes. Me should have give you it. Blood clot, yo. Give me should have give her the Adidas. Because she did want it, but it couldn't fit her. No one can stay there. So every time I see that brother, I don't know what go on with him. I don't say I want to give him money. Yo. You know, say all the while I see you. Yeah, man. I don't know how I go on, but I always see how I walk, you know.
Blessing general.
I don't know how I go on with you, but you hold up here, you hear?
We give thanks. Sir.
Yeah, man, hold up here the same way, man. You hear?
We give thanks. Sir.
Matter of fact, hold this. Let me give you something like. Hold this.
Respect to your general.
Alright, big up yourself. And I don't know what I want to that Monday, you know. I don't know what I want to that Monday, but I don't know if somebody set him so or why, you know. But when I just remember, say the people have blood clot wicked, you hear? And him don't look like a cokehead neither. Because sometimes when you see people on the road, you know. Them go through some things, you know. I look at beard them one beard off and even a place where them can arrest all them, you know, youth. I tell you, you know. Because when we do things, we don't do things for the internet, you know. Him not have to see blood clot me again. I see him all the while. Because when we give people things, we don't look for see them back. We give people things from a good place. Enough people give you things too. You hear me I tell a man. Enough time when you see people video and I really they hype them video it fine. You know. Them video it for bring awareness to enough people struggle say listen me. That man I go through this or that woman I go through this. But some people just do it for the clout. We don't do things for clout. We don't do things because we want nobody see we are getting. We don't even show people what we are give people. Enough people will get things. But through again, social media is a place where people want to see you post it. Oh, me did go do this and me gotta go do that. Nah man. I'm telling you man. You know how much things Sean Paul give you and nobody don't know about that. You know how much things people give a boy and nobody don't know about that. How much things Governor I do one of them give it and nobody don't know about that. That's why we have to be careful. I say the universe is that thing where you have to be careful. We have to be very mindful how we deal with people. Remember I see him one day and him said to me, say, him beg me buy my juice. Like one of them soda business there and a bun. I mean I go in a place to buy something. And when I come out back, I see him did I eat something, but I buy it. So I say I still want it and him I say yeah. But me always just notice I see him a walk, him just always a walk. And him not all. People, let me tell you something about LiQWYD. You see, LiQWYD is a man where him kind. I know LiQWYD for years. LiQWYD is a very, very kind person. Most of the things that LiQWYD do, him just bringing attention to himself. LiQWYD is not a madman. I just one time him just come on and do the ranting and some unnecessary thing. But if you listen to LiQWYD is not a madman. LiQWYD have sense. LiQWYD knows the law. LiQWYD knows his rights. LiQWYD know what him can do from what him cannot do. Enough people LiQWYD help. Whole heap of people LiQWYD help. LiQWYD manipulate the idiot them. Like when I see LiQWYD say I sell gathering. And I see people that buy the gathering. I see LiQWYD I tell a woman online say, I tell us, go give the man a threesome. And you make the next woman go give the man the threesome before you. Here's a fucking idiot. Send the money come and hang up on her. And I say the woman I call LiQWYD 37 times. I said, John was there. Then if you can get people send you money and then you all gun at them head and you give them back advice in return, you're doing great. You're doing great. You understand? So me I tell you to say LiQWYD, he have a very good heart. Me I tell you that. He's a man who have a very good heart. But me I tell you this. Don't give out no blood clot heart. Keep your heart for yourself. Because when you give people your heart, them name up that and chart that and spit it out and tell them move your dirty blood clot. Let me tell you something. Enough time when you hear we talk about spice, people say I show I'm a friend. I show I'm a friend. But me see the things them with spice do. You see spice now? Spice give away. All our clothes are far back. Spice do that. Mrs. Spice, because she always remember where she come from. And through you talk where you come from, say you never used to have no shoes and this and that. You have some people where you in a better position than them. Remember this, you know. Spice inspire a whole heap of people. Me know say me inspire people. Enough of them might not talk, but we inspire. If I even a conversation, they have to get inspired by it. Because we now come on, everybody try downplay the good way Spice do, and just always a member say, oh, Spice loud and Spice this and Spice that. You know, say Spice I do better now and now answer people. All who talk about Spice and I call up Spice name, them can't go and talk. Spice learn now. When me did want shift it do long time, if it don't answer everybody, everything doesn't deserve a respond. You don't have to respond to everybody because again, if you never was nobody, them wouldn't talk about you. And you have to remember, so your value where you have more to lose and nothing to gain, because remember, people never talk about them. Them are talk about you, and when you talk about them, and you, everybody are going to say, oh, Spice made a rant. And this, and she started to learn, because remember, say, at some point we have to learn, you know. At some point we have to learn. I'm in love that new Spice when me I deal with. I'm a friend, I'm a love her. Everybody know that, I love her. Spice always I try to make move. Spice always I try to make moves and I try to do the right thing. Enough people Spice help. Mrs. Spice goes to Bama have our foundation when she goes to Bama and I give back. And the same dirty blood clad people, them me never forget all you dirty girl. Member say me member your face. Anyway, me say the girl grab the blood clad voucher them. Grab the voucher them out of me hand. I remember voucher was there for everybody and the girl grabbed the voucher them out of me. Remember all the blood clad girl was stab here and grab the voucher bag. Up a blood clad, up a Hope Garden. Remember, The girl stab blood clot Ray and grab the voucher bag and dig off with it. Your dirty teeth in blood clot. I remember say this was something for everybody. And hear dirty people on internet. Hear them. Oh, it was very unorganized. And it was this and it was that. But here we with Jamaica. Here what happened with Jamaica. We used to brute force. When I used to, everybody form a line and just wait over there. We're gonna call you by rows. Row 3, come right here. The only time you see people blood clot organized are when them they are blood clot police station, and when them they are hospital, and when them they are airport. That's the only time you see organizing go on. Everywhere else are push down and stab up and kick down. So you have to always have soldiers. So when them see soldier, them see authority. Because them know the soldier not come to play. Box down your dirty blood clot. And upper embassy. Upper embassy, you hear a pin drop up of that. And that's the most well-behaved Jamaicans are. The most well-behaved Jamaicans are at the embassy. You understand? All of the female them follow me. You know me have enough respect for you. All of the man them follow me. You know. Me have not found the reason all the while. Don't lose your balls. Always remember that you are a man. 2 things you have in life is your word and your balls. And if your word don't mean nothing, your balls supposed to mean something. You don't have no balls. It's okay if your woman make more money than you. Don't get jealous and get envious and feel like you're a boy when time your woman make more money than you. If your woman make $500, you make $150. Just always remember you have $150. When I say Chippy, always remember that. And nothing if your woman, because right now the woman them have more qualification than we men. And that I hold back no found no man because when I watch no woman blood clot money and I run competition with no woman and bad mind on no woman. When I bad mind on no woman. Don't bad mind your woman. Don't bad mind your woman. But don't you ever drop yourself out in a way make woman have to tell her say you're worthless. She can make more money than you, but always remember, stand by your pride with your piece of little Jesus where you have your little 150. It pays something in the house. Don't make no woman foot every bill. When you go to a restaurant, don't come it not look good, better you pay. A woman will love you more when she knows that she make more than you and she see how you sacrifice with your one. One, two, sometimes man have to go through test with woman just like how woman go through test with man, you know. Teach your children them when them a go road, always have them get vex money. Always have something, even $1,000 can carry from 1 point to 1 point. Don't go nowhere flat footed. Because remember your man card can decline too. Because remember your man we have money have it on him card and him not have no cash. You have to always. You see cash? Don't care how them say them want the world to go cashless. We can't get rid of cash. We can't get rid of cash because remember say enough time we go someplace, oh, the card machine is down. The card machine is down. You know how much time we get embarrassed by that shit? The card machine is down. What are you using? Oh, full up this. Full up my gas tank for me. 90. What are you using? Cash or card? Card. Our card machine is down. Somebody say KFC line where you have manners. You're mad? KFC line have no manners. If you slip, you lose your space. I war people who are in a KFC line. What you say, man? What are you saying?